Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this beautiful card. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with the base. I'm using the thick Whisper White. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then a piece of the Pool Party cardstock. This is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then a piece of the In Good Taste designer paper. It's double-sided. This piece is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, right here. All right, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. Got a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to grab my Memento ink, and we're going to stamp this flower. And then we're also using the Tasteful Touches stamp set. This is where the flower is. And then also we use the Good Things in Life Are Better With You up there. And we already stamped that and cut that out with the rectangle dies. I'll show you that here in a second. But first we're going to go ahead and stamp our flower. Now let's go ahead and color that. We're going to use the Pool Party Stampin' Blends. And remember, we sell these now in the combo, so you get the light and the dark. And we're using the light and the dark today. So I'm going to start with the dark. And I'm going to color in the center, not the center, actually the center of the flower yet. We're going to color the center of the petals, going towards the outside edge. And for the center of the flower, we're going to use the Daffodil Delight. And remember, these are in the combo, but we're only going to use the light. I'm just going to color the center. Just like that. So now we're going to grab our paper snips. I'm going to go ahead and hand cut this out. It's a really easy flower to cut out. One thing with cutting is you want to move your paper instead of the scissors. Okay, so there's our flower. All right, so let me show you the other stamp set. And I went ahead and did some more stamping. And I stamped the leaves from the Forever Fern. I stamped this one and this one right here. And I used the Pool Party Classic ink. And let me just explain something here. The whole card was inspired from our brand new Pool Party sheer ribbon. It's so beautiful and shiny, and really it's kind of glistening. It's so beautiful. So when I seen the ribbon, I thought it would look beautiful on this card. So one thing that you'll notice with Stampin' Up is that they coordinate all their products. So the cardstock, the Pool Party Classic ink, the Pool Party sheer ribbon, and then we also use the Pool Party Stampin' Blends. So that's what's nice with Stampin' Up, is that it all coordinates nicely together. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this beautiful ribbon. So we're going to cut a little piece of this for our card. Let me grab my scissors. So we're just going to cut a piece here. So once I stamped the Forever Fern with these two images here, I went ahead and cut them out with the Forever Flourishing dies. And I used that one and this one right here. And then I also used this one with the vellum cardstock. And then I cut out the greeting, which is right here. Let me show you these here. So here's the ferns right here. And then I cut out the Good Things in Life Are Better With You with the stitched rectangle die. So I went ahead and did that already. Okay. Okay, so now it's just a matter of putting the card together. So we're going to go ahead and layer our Pool Party cardstock onto our thick Whisper White first. Okay, so we're going to pop this up on dimensionals, and then we're going to put some adhesive on the back of these, just a little bit at the very bottom. I'm going to put this on dimensionals. So we're going to go ahead and put our leaf here. I'm going to lay this one down first because I want that to be my guide so I don't go over the card, so it fits into an envelope really nicely. So I'm going to kind of eyeball that, just making sure that that's going to be low enough. And then I'm going to build the other two around that. So this is going to go in behind that leaf here. And this one's going to go in the front. Just like that. Okay, so then we're going to put our ribbon. Remember, we're going to make like the awareness ribbon. So that's just taking the ribbon and then crossing it over. Just like that. And then I'm going to take some adhesive and I'm also going to put that right at the base of the layers. Just going to put that up there. And I'm going to be trimming this ribbon for sure. Then we're going to put the good things in life are better with you right over top of that ribbon. Then we're going to pop the flower up on a dimensional. Now I'm going to put the dimensionals towards the top of the flower since it's going to overlap with the greeting, and that's already on dimensionals. So I'm just going to put those right at the top, at the back side. Just like that. And we're just going to position the flower right over here. See how it's kind of overlapping on that, which is already on dimensionals. So we want to kind of keep that level. So I'm going to grab my scissors. I'm going to cut the edge of the ribbon. Just like that. Now this is going to get popped up on dimensionals. Put that right on the front. Okay, now we're going to stamp it. And it's the Pool Party Classic ink, and I'm going to use the splatter, which is in the Forever Fern stamp set. Let me show you. This little splatter here is right here in the Forever Fern stamp set. So what I'm just going to stamp this randomly in a couple spaces on the card. Just kind of lightly tapping around the edge. I'm going to stamp one up here. Just like that. Isn't that beautiful? So soft looking. All right, now we're going to grab our Wink Stella. So for our Wink Stella, we're going to add that around the petals. And then also on the ferns here. Just adds a little bit of shimmer to our already soft looking card. So pretty. Love it. All right, and then there's that one, and then here's this one right here. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.